In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership in Hostinger via DNS. To get started, sign into your Hostinger account. Make sure you're using the correct account where your domain is registered or managed, because the domain ownership settings will only appear in the right dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look over the main control panel so you can easily find the section you need. From the Hostinger dashboard, click on Domains. This area contains all of the domain-related settings, including registration details, DNS management, and ownership information. If you manage more than one domain, be sure to select the correct one before moving forward. That will help you avoid making changes to the wrong domain by mistake. After opening the Domains section, click Manage next to the domain you want to work with. This will open the detailed settings page for that specific domain. Inside this area, you'll see several options related to the domain's configuration and account information. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct place before continuing. Next, click on Domain Ownership. This is the section where Hostinger allows you to confirm and create the ownership profile connected to the domain. Verifying domain ownership is important because it helps confirm that the domain is associated with accurate contact information and proper account details. It can also be necessary for managing certain domain settings smoothly in the future. Here, enter your details carefully. Make sure everything is accurate before you continue. This part is important because any incorrect or outdated information could delay the verification process or create issues later when managing the domain. Double-check the spelling, formatting, and all required fields before submitting the profile. It's always a good idea to review everything one more time, especially if this domain is for a business or a public-facing website. Once you've filled in the required details and confirm that everything is correct, click Create Profile. That completes the setup process for the domain ownership profile in Hostinger. After that, your ownership information should be saved and associated with the domain. If the system takes a moment to update, that's completely normal. Just give it a little time and refresh the page if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to verify domain ownership in Hostinger via DNS.